it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a dash camera, I highly recommend you check this one out. This is by PORMIDO. This is a rear view mirror camera. This 10-inch mirror dash camera has an anti-glare cover. If you choose to use it, you can add that as well. It came with a 64 gigabyte card, so I can go through and check all of my videos. I can adjust this front camera, and I can also use this touch screen, which is very simple and easy to use and navigate. I love this settings. It's clear for me to see what I want to do for 24/7 unlimited recording, 12-hour recording. It also has a parking monitoring, so it also protects my battery from being drained. And I like that as it's off, it looks like a rear view mirror. So I can use it as a rear view mirror, but have the recording going on while I'm just using it as a mirror. Or I can see the actual video footage while I'm recording, or go through my history and see what I had maybe through the night. These settings are nice. It has a GPS. You have your time. You also can have the date, and it's an easy display in the right corner. You can adjust the brightness. It even tells you if you're driving east, what direction you're going, which is fun, and how many miles an hour you're going. The left button has a quick button snapshot, so I can get a picture really in an instant. I also appreciate that it came with a bracket customizable to my car, so I was able to replace my factory mirror, and yet this one is just a tad bit bigger. I've really enjoyed using it. The technology is impressive. And if you're looking for a dash camera, this one provides me with so much that I'm really getting my money's worth out of it. We love it, but that's just my point of view.